In today's episode, we're continuing on with the curb appeal for my home. So if you're interested in what happened today, you know what to do. Stick around. Hi everyone. Today we are shopping for flowers for the mailbox, around the mailbox, and in the pots out front and around some of the trees. So I'm gonna walk up and show you the ones that we were looking at, and and the ones that we purchased. I'll show you those when we get home. All right, here's the mailbox, the plants beside the mailbox. And then here is the yard. Now, I'm just showing you the flowers. This is phase 2, where we have the flowers in the pots. And I put, my husband put the hydrangea there. No, the hibiscus, I'm sorry. The hibiscus plant there. So we got the flowers up front in the vases. I think the front yard looks great. With the, we had a storm here this morning, so magnolia leaves are down again. But I think it turned out really good. Here we are going to the backyard. As you see, the black mulch is right here as you're coming up, making the whole trimway look so pretty. Let me open the gate. Okay, here we are coming in. Doesn't that black mulch look great right there? So we put the mulch here. We put the mulch here all the way down. And then we had another bag. So we had to fill it in here all the way down to the backyard. Oh, sorry, there's a mosquito on my hand. Then you come here. And here is the backyard with all the mulch put in everywhere. It looks so pretty out here. We have the black along the back, and then on the sides. Over here we have red, and over here we have more red. I think it ended up looking really pretty. I like the way it turned out. The mulch looks really pretty out here. It makes the backyard look very nice. And the plants that are here, it makes them look perked up. Doesn't it? It makes them all stand out. So I like the way it's going out here in the backyard. Now the next thing is he's going to put some seed down here to get this grass to grow back here. But I think it looks really pretty. Now as far as the seating area, I haven't cleaned that yet, so we're not going to share that. But we're just sharing what has been done with the mulch and the flowers so far here in the yard. Doesn't it look great, y'all? It looks so great. So let me know what you think down below of our progress of phase 1 and 2, which is the mulch and then the flowers. And then phase 3 will be the cleaning and decorating of the patio sitting area. And then phase 4 will be when we get it screened in. So I'm really excited. Let me know what you think down below. You know I love to read your comments. And as well, I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.